and this is the sear, and then right in there is the hammer, and these are the hammers. So now I just want to see something real quick. I'm going to take the back end of this and I just want to see if because when I fire the front trigger, which is the trigger that's actually way harder to pull, this guy, it'll fire both barrels, but the rear one, if I pull that one first, it'll only fire that one, and then I pull the other one, it'll fire it. So I'm curious as to if there's an engagement problem here. So anyway, let's I am bleeding a little bit. Oh, so here's another piece of wood. Oh well. So now we have or I don't know how this is better for you guys. This and this pin and this screw to take out. Anyway, so let's just kind of go for it. I'm not looking forward to taking this apart because it was a pain to get back in, but gotta do what you gotta do. One second. I'm trying to make this a somewhat professional looking video. There's one sear. And before I pop the others here, because it's going to drop the hammer, these, well, if you pull them up, they'll hit the hammer, or they'll set the hammer off, I should say. There we go. Here's the pin and the other sear. They are more or less the exact same piece. Oh, this one has a couple more. If you look closely, this one has a couple more marks on it, so I don't know if that might be the right barrel or what. So now we are going to work on the on this pin. This is the pin that holds it holds the hammers, and it holds, I believe, the springs. So yeah, like that. Got lucky. This is the hammer. I'm thinking that they engage something like that, and then when this is cocked back, and then this spring engages into that notch, and the spring wants it to go like that, so probably goes something like that. This goes down, and so, and that's more, I don't know how this looks to you guys. That's more or less the layout. So let me get this pin in, and there we go. I was just trying to set up the spring so I didn't launch it across the room. There's the hammer spring. Now all we have left is these guys, which these guys have no springs, so we don't have to worry about it. And these were very tight, by the way. Right now they're fairly loose and easy to work. No. This is the part that engages into this guy, or well, it engages pretty much like that, and that's what cocks the gun. And that's her disassembled. I have yet to get into this part, but as you can see, hold on, let me tap the camera. If you look through it, you can see that piece move. There's one locking pole and the other that engage into the barrel somehow. and there is, you can see that in there. This spring's kind of the same thing as that one, and that's pretty much the Zabala disassembled.